Well, hello there. Today, I'm at my friend Cliff's island. Cliffville. Oh, the flickering because of the brightness. Anyways, yeah, it's his birthday today. Yep, you could see the date. Is it impossible to go to time travel in those days? Yeah, yeah. You could see all the Brewster's custom designs. I'm so hyped for Brewster to come to New Horizons. Even though the direct one might come this month. I'm thinking it would be the last week of this month they might air date. Just before Halloween. Hehehe. Playing with fire. Sprinkle a little bit of... Yeah, sometimes there's latencies because when we visit each other's islands, you have latency. But only the owner of the island can do that fast. Fire magic. Yeah, land is here as well. Hehe. Sneeze on the fire. There we go. Sprinkling. Hehe. Crap. Even though they're dressed in their Halloween costumes. Too early, but I have not even got my Halloween costume yet. But maybe in my next video I will. Crazy spooky lanterns. Am I? Yeah. I even did some in my island as well. And I updated my dream island as well. What's this? Sorry about that. My brother. I'll be on a pause for just a bit. Alright, I'm back. We're touring more of Cliffside. It's cold out. All seasons of the train sets. Yeah, even though I'm holding a flag of a train. You know what this symbol is? I'll give you the answer. It's a cross country, a British name brand of trains. Yeah, it's pretty cool how I made that though. I might probably post it on the Able Sisters or the kiosk portal sometime. That train, let's see. Looks like to be a class 220. Yeah. They're high-speed trains. I like how they make those sounds. Turntables. They're cool though. So excited. We're super excited. One Beach IPA. That sounds pretty cool. Well, that's cool. Kiss. I think that's the name of this band, I'm guessing. That's so cool. Yes. Why would we do that? We don't have any kissing reactions. Not like the times I have kissed Celeste. Simon's at home. So that's the name of the people here staying with. Interesting. Well, I guess we're gonna stop here for now. It's been actually a good time seeing my old buddy Cliff. Wish him a happy birthday in the comments below. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell to stay notified. Bye-bye.